Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. In this short video, we're just talking about finishes on the vinyl. As you can see on this one here, there's a bit of blotchiness and blurriness to the gloss. And you may receive a piece like this, and sometimes it's just the manufacturer, and when it's in the roll, the backing will rub against the top surface and it causes this. But it's a pretty simple fix. More or less, all you have to do is just apply some heat. So if you have a heat gun, you take your heat gun to it, let it warm up. And as you can see, it just clears up that blotchiness. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.